This is the Grouse expedition. Kurt, Jared, Amber, Morgan. Christy couldn't make it. Sean's went up the mountain already. Already got lost, fell down, died, who knows.
Which one are you guys going, Grouse or Grind or the CCMC? Grouse. Just look at that orange marker on the tree. Okay. It says GG everywhere you go, so okay.
Say hello.
Doing a documentary.
How is it so far?
Hi.
Stragglers left behind. Okay.
We probably went an 8-quarter way.
Want to say hello? Is it 1/4 the way?
Yeah, 1/4 you think?
Yeah, it is. Do you know how long the trail is?
I don't know.
I hope you're glad to know we've gone 0.7 kilometers.
Woohoo! Wow.
0.7 kilometers, that's
like
it?
7.0.
We haven't even gone a kilometer yet.
And I think we're at 500 meters right now.
Nice.
But it wasn't anyway, Sandy.
Yeah, my views back over.
No.
I hate you, Sandy.
Yeah, if I would have brought mine, I probably would be gone.
You'd be gone?
Yeah, I would have something heavy on all the edge stuff there.
Hey, when is that? That's soon.
28,
What's soon?
my concert.
Oh yeah.
Did Eugene find tickets yet?
I haven't heard.
Is the flash off?
Yeah, it didn't come up great on that.
Yay!
Do you want me to do it on yours instead then?
Sure. Flash is off.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Nice. It's a little dark, but it's not bad. Let me try one more. 1, 2, 3. About the same. You can fix it up though, like 1, editing. 2, 3. Oh, it's a video.
Yeah, you can hit that over now.
Oh. Yeah. Nice. Here we are, halfway.
Yep. Not even an accomplishment. Well, I guess it is kind of.
Want to say something?
No.
Well, this is my second time.
Yeah, like I would want to do this in the summer. Like I would come up on another day like this.
This is nice,
Yeah.
especially with like a little bit of rain coming down, it cools you down and stuff.
I like it.
Yeah.
You get like comfortable with Bailey.
What's a gin
Sure
breeze?
you can. You can do whatever you want, really.
Gin, beef eater gin. Yeah, it's a brand.
You ever heard of that?
We're getting a gin breeze.
Oh, funky.
Thanks, Amber.
Okay, and it's going back on.
Are you like videotaping this?
Yeah, it's
Oh man.
That's my phone. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm staying in one spot right now. Okay, go ahead. We're drinking right now. We're at there's a restaurant here. At the
No
top,
burger
so
sauce side mayo.
we're drinking right now. So we're having a drink in some really good Angus burgers that look delicious. Mayo. Balsamic. We're up. Hello? Christy? Hello? To move. Hello? Kind of see stuff.
Wow, that's amazing. That's nice though.
My camera. Ooh.
Wow, it's going great.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Don't forget your clothes are in my bag.
Like downstairs in the dish. I know. Oh,
You just started with Jordan nowhere. Oh my dear, contraction. Styling. Cool styling.
Hey, cut that out.
Oh, we're going back down by foot.
Is this the
We'll just stand up on that rock.
So you're not supposed to go down. Is that right?
What?
You're not supposed to go
No, you can go down.
Yeah, but there's another route to go down.
Oh, maybe.
Oh, I just don't know. Maybe you're not supposed to go down.
Nice.
Are you doing that for fun or for a photo? Or
Sorry, did I say that too loud?
It's captured.
I'm gonna stand
Oh,
over
good
here.
hell.
It's pretty wicked.
So where are we taking a photograph?